All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Another pedestrian bridge over here in St. Paul for 94. I only got like 2 more I got to knock off, but here we go, 30th day of November, 2024. Be up in July, so there's one up ahead. I don't know if it's open yet or not. And there is one out, and I go to Blaine next. Up in Brooklyn Park that I've got up 610, but this one is up for 94. There's another one, they're building a new one in Bloomington, but I'm obsessed with all these pedestrian bridges. But yeah, it's a nice day. It's about, I don't know, 25 degrees. Not too bad. I've seen worse and better, but here we go. I'm gonna go across. I got lucky and just kind of figured out how to get here. But they built a new one up here, a little farther, but I've been doing all the pedestrian bridges. But beautiful day to get out. Sue Ellen's out of town. Well, she's up north. She's in Little Falls selling some stuff. Just a lot of knitting, so. Anyways, won some money playing roulette down there in Iowa. Got a couple of direct hits, Troy Aikman and Blackjack and 21. It was a 21 number. Got the 4-wheel drive out. But yeah, these are always fun. You can tell the trash here too as well. Yeah, always some trash on here. I have, you know. But the other one is up a little farther by the university, kind of. That's how I'm doing it this summer. So it's kind of an older one. Kind of tell from one neighborhood to the next. Come up 61. 3M is down there. Nice day for a walk. My Blackhawks were in town last night and they lost the Wild, but the way it goes. We're last place. And this comes out, the hunch is in office. I do have an ice fishing thing I want to do. Show, I think it's next weekend. Go to that. Whew. Keep away from that wind behind this thing right here. Whew. But that way is towards Wisconsin. Yep. Yeah, at least you can't really throw anything over, but that's towards Minneapolis over there. The Arizona Cupcakes are in town. People Stadium. So I kind of got lucky, and all of a sudden I saw the sign that said no more vehicles. Kind of look at this, some old concrete. Kind of tell. But yeah, I gotta get the truck in for a little tune-up. Yeah, that's a nice day to run around. I see they already have a Action 5 out already. It's like, Jesus. That was quick, but I still like my 4. I like my 10. Yeah, kind of. So you can walk all the way down there. That's a one-way this way. They have their Christmas stuff out, so you can tell how old this thing is. And like, holy Christ. So you can kind of bring your bike up here. See that? Yeah, probably already in the. I know when I'll already be back from in April. We went to when this comes out, St. Martin, end of April. So, anyways, these are kind of. How old it is. Woo. Your buddy lives across the street and walk across pedestrian bridge. Not too bad for a Saturday. Good Friday. Black Friday was fun. We had to go to Costco or in Burnsville. God, that was just effing nuts. But, you know, it is a holiday season. Christmas is 25 days away tomorrow. And if this comes out in July, Christmas season will be 4 months away, give or take. This comes out in July. Christmas. The begging season is right around the corner in 2025. Yeah. You can tell it's on old concrete. Heck yeah. Kind of a short and sweet, quick video. But I started this adventure doing all these behaviors. I got to finish them out. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. And of course, you know the old mask. People are just pigs. I've seen worse. So, anyways, guys, another pedestrian bridge off of 94. We'll see you all later from the outskirts. Hope you enjoyed it.